YouTube, what is good? Welcome to another video. A lot of people been asking, yo, Ken V, where you at? Ken V, when you gonna update us? Yo, Ken V, how you just gonna grow a following and then just go ghost? Well, that's just who I am. I don't really like attention. I don't really like social media. And I said this in a lot of my videos. The only reason I was doing social media, the only reason I am doing social media is because, it's inspiring for a lot of people, and I've helped a lot of people, I've changed a lot of lives, and this is real, you know what I'm saying? But if it was completely up to me and I didn't care about impact and inspiration, I wouldn't be on social media. But that's besides the point. I got a good video for y'all today. What I'm about to do is break down my fuel expense a year apart from each other. So I'm going to show you what I spent on fuel around this time last year in 1 month, and then I'm going to compare it to what I spent on fuel last month. And I could not believe my eyes when I calculated these numbers. And let me explain something to y'all before I show y'all these numbers. And this video not gonna be long. This video probably gonna be like 7 minutes or even less than that. I don't even think this video is gonna be that long, because this is just to show you, and then you can make your own consensus. A lot of people have been saying, yo, your content in 2022 has been discouraging and you're trying to crush people's dreams. No, I'm not. I'm just being realistic. This is reality. I actually have trucks. I actually have drivers. I actually have trailers. I'm actually in the business, and like I can see a difference. So I'm just trying to warn people or give people some type of caution before they make a huge investment and end up in the hole. I've been reading articles, I've been watching videos, I've been doing my own research, and I've been looking at my own numbers. And what I've been seeing is trucking is about to go into a recession. That's the trend that it's looking like. And a lot of people, oh, trucks never stop moving during the pandemic. Trucking is pandemic proof. Trucking is recession proof. That is false. Trucking is recession. Like, trucking can go into a recession. It is not recession proof. A lot of people gonna argue with that, and a lot of people probably gonna feel otherwise, but let me tell you why trucking is not recession proof, and then I'll break down the numbers for you. Trucking is not recession proof because you have situations like today where the fuel continues to rise, but the rates continue to drop and equipment continues to rise. So if you have your fuel expense too high and all of your expenses are exceeding your total gross revenue, you're losing money. A lot of trucking companies go out of business every year. So for people to be on social media and YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, oh, trucking is recession proof, trucking is pandemic, it's all like not realistic, because the reality of the situation is a lot of people are losing money right now. A lot of people are going into a hole, and a lot of companies are going out of business, and even more companies are about to go out of business because of what is happening. But let's get right into this breakdown, man. All right, so as you can see, I have my whiteboard behind me, and I'm about to just add these numbers up real quick and just give you a side-by-side comparison of just 9 months. So if this is only 9 months, can you imagine what it's gonna be like in a year and a half? Well, at least until the administration change. If you know, you know. But I just wanna give you all a realistic idea of what's going on in the market, because you got people on social media, YouTube, Instagram, oh, trucking is recession proof, trucking is pandemic proof, get in trucking. But now it's not the time. And for people who rush into it and try to rush into ownership, rush into buying equipment, rushing to start their own authority, they're gonna be met with some obstacles and some roadblocks that they were not expecting. So let me just go ahead and add these numbers up for you really quick. So here we have, I'm gonna do 2022 first. We're gonna start with the bad news first, then we're gonna go to the good news. So you see already 4,000, 4,000, 3,000, 3,000, 3,000. Once you add all of these numbers up, you get 19,000. I think it's $559.20. So 559.2. So this is what I spent in 1 month. This is 1 month on fuel in April of 2022. Now we go to June, just 9 months. This is 9 months apart. This is not 10 years, this is 9 months. So we have 24, 22, 41, 26. So as you can see already, the numbers are almost half. So when you get that, you get 11,486. So you get 11,486 and 6 cents. So as you can see right there, let's just subtract those numbers real quick. So 19,559 minus 11, let's see, 11,486.06. You are going to get $8,073. So put that there. You're going to get $8,073 and some change, whatever the change is. But this is the difference. I'm spending extra. This is extra. $8,000 on fuel in just 9 months. So I just got done showing you the numbers, and those are real numbers. Those are numbers from 9 months apart, and that's just fuel. That doesn't count expenses, truck note, trailer note, like that's just fuel. So I spent $20,000 a month in just fuel. So if you're watching this and you made it to this part, if you want to see a profit and loss, complete profit and loss breakdown for, you know, a month in 2022, comment down below the rare few. Comment down below the rare few. And a lot of people saying, oh, you're being discouraging, and oh, you're trying to, you know, like you're being negative about trucking. No, I'm being realistic. That's the problem. I'm not delusional. And I'm honest, I'm realistic. And I'm not telling people, you know, what they should or shouldn't do. I'm just telling y'all what my current analysis is of everything that's going on based on my experiences. This is what I'm experiencing. There's some people that's not feeling this, and there's some people that's feeling it worse than me. But thank God I move how I move and I think how I think. So something like this wouldn't affect me. You know, it's not really affecting me because I did what I needed to do behind the scenes to make sure everything is okay. But if you watching this and you trying to get into trucking, or you about to get into trucking, or you in trucking, you trying to, you know, get your own equipment and build up a fleet, listen, now is really not the time. You gotta be patient and just, you know, be realistic about the situation. But that's the end of this video, man. If y'all want to see a complete breakdown, man, like this video, comment, subscribe, share it, and I'll start posting videos again. But until then, man, I'm out until I don't know when.